one brilliant, magnificent sun, source of all the lives, gives energy to all of us, illuminator of all the bad things. My gratitude to sun. May that divine energy gives all the strength and wisdom to all of us. Namaste friends. Today's topic is my favorite topic and I am going to discuss about Surya Namaskar, or we can say sun salutation. Sun salutation is a technique of vitalization through solar energy. Sun worshipping is a daily ritual of many parts of India, and they do practice sun salutation as a form of prayer, or we can say gratitude towards the nature or sun. As sun is a powerful symbol of energy, so we do sun salutation to have that energy, the beautiful energy of sun, and survive in our life. Surya Namaskar has alternative backward and forward bending asanas, and these asanas includes breathing like retention, suspension, inhalation and exhalation. So if you are including breathing into the asanas, then it will become more beneficial for you. It tones, stretch and gives lot of massage to our vital organs. It activates your respiratory and circulatory system, as well as it gives lot of support to your all the organs and all the systems. It harmonizes your whole body and mind complex. So if you want to have good results through Surya Namaskar, you have to focus on 5 aspects. Number first is asana, that you have to do asana properly and you are into that asana wholeheartedly. So there are 12 postures in half cycle and you have to perform 24 postures to complete the one cycle. And this posture has to practice in a sequence. These posture you have to perform with few seconds of retention. You have to stay in that posture for few seconds so that you can have a beautiful experience, as well as you can stretch your body more. Number 2 is breathing. The complete Surya Namaskar has inhalation, exhalation, retention and suspension. So according to the asana, we have to be in that breathing pattern. Each posture is associated with inhalation or exhalation or retention or suspension. Number 3 is mantra. So each posture is having one mantra, and if you are taking that one mantra according to the asana, then it will become more beneficial for you. Number 4 is awareness. Awareness is a crucial part of Surya Namaskar, and if you are having lot of awareness of the posture, then that will give you benefit at a cellular level. So your cells will become more active and you will have that benefit at your cells level. It brings a capacity of concentration, as well as taking mantra along with the asana will harmonize your body and mind. Number 5 is relaxation, and if you are a beginner, after completing 3 rounds you have to take some kind of relaxation. You stay in that namaste position and breathe in and out deeply so that you can relax your body for some time, for 30 seconds, and then you can start with other rounds. And after again 3 rounds you can have that relaxation for few seconds and then go further. You may chant mantra in your mind, or you can chant mantra loudly so that you can synchronize your body, posture and breathing as well as mantra. So in the start you can leave the mantra and you can synchronize your body with breath and asana, so that after some time when you are very good at practice, you can add mantra in your practice. Before going into Surya Namaskar, let's see some contraindications and limitations of Surya Namaskar. High blood pressure, cardiac issues, vertigo, menstruation, pregnancy, sciatica should avoid this Surya Namaskar. They should not do this. If you have abdominal inflammation, hernia or slip disc or any structural problem, avoid this asana for some time and takes doctor's advice before going into Surya Namaskar. So let's see how to perform Surya Namaskar.
Let's begin with Surya Namaskar. We'll stand erect in Namaskar position. And first, we'll feel grateful that we are standing on our mat and we are going to practice. So throughout our practice, we'll feel grateful so that our practice will become more beautiful. Now in Sthit Pratnasana, that is standing prayer posture, just bow down to the universe and then inhale, exhale at your place in Namaskar position, and then take your hands upward in Hastottanasana while inhaling and be there for a few seconds. Now we'll go into Hastapadasana while exhaling. Be there, your body is straight, your upper body is straight, your lower body is straight. And then we'll go into Ashwasanchalanasana. So in this asana, your spine is arched and you can look upward to balance your body. And right leg is behind straight and left leg is in 90 degree. Now while exhaling, we'll go into plank posture, or we can say Dandasana. In this posture, our body is straight or parallel to the ground. Now let's go into Ashtanga Namaskar. In this posture, our 8 parts of the body, hands, chin, chest, knees, toes, are touching the floor. And retain your breath. Now we'll go into Bhujangasana, Cobra posture. Our upper body is up and lower body is touching the floor. While inhaling, we'll do this posture. Now while exhaling, we'll go into Adho Mukha Shavasana. This is inverted V posture. Be careful, your heels are touching the floor and your upper body is straight. Now we'll go into Ashwasanchalanasana. Right leg is in front 90 degree and left leg is straight behind. Try to feel the stretch on your left leg. Now we'll come into Hastapadasana. Now try to touch your head to the knee. Be gentle with yourself. If you are not able to touch, that's okay. Now we'll go into Hastottanasana while inhaling. Now in Namaskar position and take few breaths here. We'll repeat same cycle with other side on our left side and try to inculcate breathing pattern with your posture and be aware about the posture and feel the stretch. Try to feel every part of your body and try to be gentle with yourself. Do not go beyond your limits. Try to be in the limits so that you don't stretch too much. And when we complete other half cycle, then it will become one Surya Namaskar. So try to go for at least 3 rounds and then you can take few breaths in Sthit Pratnasana and you can relax for some time. You can go for more 3 rounds and practice at least 11 rounds of Surya Namaskar so that your body is warmed up and stretched fully, and then you can go for more asanas, whichever you like. Thank you.
As you have seen, there are lot of asanas in this Surya Namaskar, and if you are performing this Surya Namaskar daily for at least 11 rounds, then you will have lot of benefits. And if you are experiencing any benefits while doing this practice, let me know in the comment box. Now let me tell you some benefits of Surya Namaskar. Physical benefits. It strengthens all parts of your body. It strengthens your arms, necks, shoulder, back, hips, legs. Every part of your body get lot of strength while doing this Surya Namaskar. And it stimulates all the internal organs like your circulatory system, your respiratory system, as well as your digestive system. and you will get a very good massage of internal organs while doing this Surya Namaskar. It stimulates your nervous system as well, so it reduces fat. So if you have abdominal fat, this Surya Namaskar is going to give you a lot of benefits. Now, therapeutic benefits. So it strengthens your digestive system, so you will have a very good digestive system, as well as you will not have any kind of digestive issues. It helps in removing of all the toxins from the body. It improves the vital capacity of your lungs. It improves a functioning of your endocrine system. It improves a circulation of blood in your body. It helps you to cope up with insomnia. It regulates a menstruation cycle. Now, psychological benefits. It gives you poise of mental and physical. It increases the power of concentration as well as self-confidence. It increases emotional health as well as it increases your spiritual growth. As we have seen, there are a lot of benefits of Surya Namaskar. Do perform Surya Namaskar daily and let me know in the comments box how many Surya Namaskar you are performing daily. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel for the next coming video, and share this video with your friends and family so that they can have this beautiful knowledge about sun salutations. Thank you so much. Namaste.